Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy bran muffins. First, let's prepare our wet ingredients. In a medium bowl, whisk together 1 1/4 cups of milk and 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. Next, crack in 1 large egg and add 1/4 cup of rich molasses. Stir these ingredients until they are well combined and smooth. This simple step ensures a consistent texture for your delicious muffins. Now let's prepare our dry ingredients. In a separate large bowl, combine 2 cups of wheat bran and 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour. Stir in 1/3 cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Once your dry ingredients are mixed, pour the wet mixture into the dry. Fold gently until just combined. Do not overmix for tender muffins. With your batter ready, it's time to bake these delicious treats. Line a muffin tin with paper liners or grease it well. Fill each muffin cup about 2/3 full with the batter. Bake in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 18 minutes. The muffins are perfectly baked when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let them cool slightly before serving. Here are a few extra tips for your bran muffins. For best freshness, store any leftover muffins in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days. You can also customize your muffins by adding 1/2 cup of raisins, chopped nuts, or chocolate chips to the batter before baking. And hey, while you're enjoying your fresh muffins, remember that life's too short for a stinky car. Check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.